ladies and gentlemen, opening government side of the house never engaged in our case. Why? Government, when they know that government failed to cater all of dreams coming from all of society in rural area, they do not have any kind of ability to give such an access to these people, ladies and gentlemen. We believe as of the oppositions, as a good government, they need to give this access to these people to opt out of the situation that they try to opt out, ladies and gentlemen. As opening government, they neglect all the things in here, ladies and gentlemen. Before go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to mention three major classes, ladies and gentlemen. First, whether or not through our proposals, it will protect more rural area and will not decrease the conditions of the rural areas. So, gentlemen, second, how the development of economy will so much happen in our proposal, and the last, which proposal are needed by these developing countries, because they never give any kind of characterizations on these developing countries anyway. Second, in here, how we believe that we will protect this kind of rural area, and we will give them more access, gentlemen. In these classes, they claim to us that these urbanizations will not protect this rural area, because all of them will go to this proper city and will take their dreams, gentlemen. We will say this will not happen, because we say that the example of fishermen and also farmer and so on, they will still in their potential land, because they know that this is important land that they need to protect. Second, if there are still people who want to go out and do not want to become a farmer, we as oppositions, we give them access to go out from their land and find their dream. Even if they will say that these people will not go back to their home and so on, we will say this is also still justified and this is not broke the humanity in that rural area, because we will say that these people will sending the money towards their family, and their family will have a better life compared to these people who do not have any interest at all in that village, gentlemen. We want to still keep these people who don't have any interest in this village. We will say no, gentlemen. Second, how they believe that the GDP will so much increase, gentlemen. We will say the GDP that in their case will not so much increase, gentlemen. How? The first, what is the parameter of stable economy? Stable economy, your society need to have income, need to have jobs, gentlemen. But in their proposal, they will only put these potential people in this rural area and still following what the government want and toward the interest of your family. But we will say, if this is not their interest, they will not have job, right? In our proposal, they will have a right to fulfill their dreams, or even if I do not want to become a farmer, but I want to become a boy band, that's still okay, right? And we will say that a good government, you need to cater all of the dreams of people in that situation. Yes, you.
Answer the questions on how, by proposing your proposal, the food shortage, also food supply, still on the status quo.
In status quo nowadays, Jokowi and also all the ministry has a lot of program in this kind of fishing or even such agriculture, where they give a lot of fertilizer and also all of this kind of protection for this fishermen itself, ladies and gentlemen. So we say that this is not very problematic. And also, we will say that why this is stable? Because in our proposal, we give them job, they will give money. When they have money, they will buy something. It proves to you the circulation of money will be much happening. They do not have job, they do not have money, they will not buy anything. So the circulation of money will not happen in our proposal. So we are better. And second, how we will protect the potential people, ladies and gentlemen. We as opposition child house believe that in our proposal, we will develop the potential people that these developing countries need, ladies and gentlemen. As we know that these developing countries has a lot of human resources, right? We say a good developing country's government, they need to improve these human resources to become a very good human resources. How is the way? Yes, they will say that there is a lot of people who want to go to Jakarta, Jogja, and so on and so forth, or even Lampung to get a better education. But we will say that these educations will not so much helpful for the village that they live, ladies and gentlemen. They will use this potential knowledge to improve the quality of infrastructure that the village has been prepared previously, or even to improve the quality of economic development that the village do not have previously. So we will say it will hand in hand to the government interest. It will hand in hand. Yes.
We believe that urbanization means that you will be the citizens in that particular city, right, Jeffrey? But if you are willing to go back to your village, that's not.
So I have said to you, even if they will not go back, they will give such a lot of money for their family. We will say they have an incentive as the local citizen of that potential land to go back there and improve the quality of family, because they will be afraid, right? If the village that their family live in will be destroyed, ladies and gentlemen. That's the justification. And the last is how our team have already proved to you that this is the needs of the developing countries, and we will say that all bad conditions of Jakarta and so on and so forth will not happen in our proposal. They claim that Jakarta right now is crowded and so on and so forth. Gepeng and others are jobless. But we will say they also have been captured by the government and going back to and if they have potential skills, they will be used to some countries to have a job, ladies and gentlemen. At least in our proposal, we provide job, we provide chances. Compared to them, they will heavily discourage urbanization through this policy, but they do not give anything to us. So we will say, as opening oppositions, we are better compared to all of their scenarios, ladies and gentlemen. What will happen? These heavily limitations of people not to go to a proper city will limit all of access and also chances and also potential in their body. As good government should cater all of these things. Government should cater all of the dreams and also interest toward them. You cannot force them to stay in their land for something that still dark, ladies and gentlemen. They have also a chances to ensure their living, to ensure their dreams, and to ensure their interests, gentlemen. Good government will follow us. Thank you.
Yeah.